Welcome back to 504 Road Trips. Today we'll be giving a tour of our King Studio balcony suite at the Hampton Inn & Suites in downtown Baton Rouge. We'll start out with a little walkthrough of the lobby area where we'll see the business center, a breakfast area, and a fitness center. Throughout the hotel you can see tigers in the decor, being Baton Rouge home of Louisiana State University and the LSU Tigers. Now we'll take a ride up to the 7th floor where our room is, and I'll keep the camera rolling for those elevator fans out there. Here we visit one of the most secure parts of the building, the room with the ice machine. So this is our King Suite balcony Riverview room here at the Hampton Baton Rouge downtown. Take a quick overview of the room. As we enter the room, we have this little wet bar area here, the big old mirror. Down here we have a refrigerator, and it's somewhat cold. No temperature control on it. It's got plenty of places for soft drinks and stuff. And this little 1-cup coffee maker here with like little trays that have coffee in, I guess. Napkins and condiments and instructions on the coffee maker. You have the ice bucket, a couple of cups, and a little bitty sink, hot and cold running water. Under here, just an empty cabinet. This right here is a microwave. That's not the correct time. However, that is the correct time. And it's clean. Down here, looks like we've got a couple of empty drawers. And of course, the entryway, we have our standard safety features. The door latch, that is a mechanical deadbolt. Peephole, and this is a diagram of the map of the floor. This is the top floor, and we are here in the suite with the balcony. And so it's an L-shaped hallway. The elevators are here. Fire exits here. So moving on into the room, it's kind of like a studio suite. And it's kind of one big area. This is I believe it's a pull-out couch. Yes, it is. Have artwork of the old state capitol here. Air conditioning unit under the window. This is a desk area. You have a large television up here that can be angled either towards the bed or towards the couch, whichever way you want to angle it. Down here we have a few drawers. That's not dirty, it's just the lining coming off. They're all empty. It's a nice chair for the desk. And then down here, this looks like a couple of Ethernet outlets or possibly phone jacks. This is a power outlet. That one's taken up by the TV plug. And over here in this lamp, we have 2 more power outlets. In the sleeping area, we have a large king bed with 4 pillows. Telephone next to the bed. There's an outlet on the lamp. Alarm clock, another outlet on that lamp. And then we have the bathroom area here. So we have our vanity area here. And we got hot and cold running water there. 0% or whatever they call that bath soap. You have some makeup removal wipes and some Kleenex. And nice large mirror. And over here, we have another nice large mirror here. So one of the doors to the closet doesn't open. It's a luggage rack, ironing board, iron, and extra bedding. And then the actual bathroom, where you can take a bath in a tub. And they have the wall-mounted 0% conditioner shampoo. They have the wall-mounted 0% conditioner shampoo and shower gel. And let's see how the shower goes. So it's a nicely functioning shower massage up there. of course we have the Kohler toilet here. Oh, and it needs to be flushed. And of course I got the floor all wet running the shower. That's a bath mat, and we have an assortment of towels, bath towels, hand towels, washcloths, hair dryer, toilet paper, and the curved shower curtain rod here that keeps the shower curtain away from you while you're trying to take a shower. So let's take a look at the best feature of this room here, and that's going to be through these curtains. As I mentioned before, this is a balcony room, and we get quite a large balcony, and we get a river view. So we have a view of the Mississippi River and the I-10 Horace Wilkinson Bridge, the new bridge, as they call it locally, and some sort of chemical plant over there across the river. And I mean, this is a huge balcony. It runs the entire width of the room. Got a couple of chairs and a table, and then this thing here, which I guess you can just sit on. Set your cocktails down on the little table there. Has some lights for the nighttime to attract mosquitoes. Looking out here is downtown Baton Rouge, and for whatever reason you can't see the old Capitol from here. I believe it's behind those buildings over there. Fact it is, if you can see what looks like a castle sticking out just to the left side of that building there, that is the edge of the little Capitol. Now, right down here, they have limited parking for the hotel. It was $15 a night, and they also have a garage across the street where you can park for $13 a night. So I went ahead and paid the extra $2 and parked right here, rather than have to cross the street and park in a garage. So anyway, this is going to conclude our room tour at the Hampton Inn, downtown Baton Rouge. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, please give us a thumbs up. Post a comment below. If you haven't already, please subscribe, share, and follow us on social media. And be sure to join us for our next 504 road trip.